Hey class, tomorrow we will be doing a lesson on basketball, which is personally one of my favorite sports. I truly believe that basketball is a very important sport. And why do I love it? Because one, it focuses on your hand-eye coordination, which is your brain and your upper body moving together at once, working together. Two, it develops upper body strength. Three, it's a great sport to work on teamwork and collaboration. And four, it's super fun. So, how do you shoot a basketball? Pay attention, class, because I will be quizzing you guys tomorrow on the proper technique of shooting a ball. Because once you get the hang of it, it is quite simple, but it is very crucial for proper form and for performance. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is figuring out what's your dominant hand. Your dominant hand is the hand that you throw with. So think of a baseball, tennis ball, football. What hand do you throw with? For me, that's my left. Because of that, we're going to put our dominant hand under the ball. This is going to give us the power to release and push the ball into the hoop. And your palm is going to be out and open like this, under the ball. Now your other hand, your non-dominant hand, is going to be used for balance. I want you to remember the word balance for your non-dominant hand, because it does not have an immediate effect in throwing or propulsing the ball, but it does have an effect on the aim. Now, when I say balance, I mean balancing it so that it doesn't go this way or that way, it goes straight. It keeps the ball going straight. So what you're going to do is you get your non-dominant hand and you're going to just lightly put it beside the ball like this. You're not going to have a grip on it. It's just going to be, your palm is just going to be barely touching it. Then, to actually shoot the ball, your dominant hand, right, the hand that's under the ball, is going to push up like this. You're going to be extending your elbow, straightening the elbow. And then, after you push your arm up, the final thing you're going to be doing is flicking the wrist. I want you to practice flicking the wrist. So when you put it all together, I'll show you at different angles. It's like this. Now, I don't expect you guys to be experts in any capacity, but I want us to understand the basic fundamentals of shooting a ball. So, tomorrow in class, when we start our first drill, we're going to be starting here. The reason why I want to start so close to the hoop is so all of us, no matter what our experience may be, can purely focus on technique rather than power. So I want to show you a demonstration of the combination of techniques that I taught you guys earlier in this video, putting it all together like this. I encourage you guys to zoom in, play the video slower, and really analyze the form. If you do that, you'll see that my aiming hand is straight, not touching the ball so much. My dominant hand is below the ball. Palms, hands are spread wide. I'm extending my elbow, and I'm finishing with a flick of the wrist. So, first thing we're going to do as a class tomorrow is I'm going to quiz you guys on the video to make sure that you guys remember the important techniques and form of shooting a basketball, so that when we start practicing on the court, you guys are able to properly shoot the ball. So I want you to rewind this video, go back, and try to remember all the verbal cues I gave you. For example, dominant hand versus non-dominant hand, and what each hand does. Remember why one hand is on this side, one hand is on this one, and remember the final 3 phases of the shot. So that's push, then elbow extension, and then flick of the wrist. So I'll repeat myself. Remember these verbal cues because I'm gonna give you guys a brief quiz on it tomorrow in class before we step foot on the court. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.